This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the camera predictable. Clean the lens, enable live photos, and disable flash so exposure won't spike. Next, open photo mode and tap to set focus where the subject will pass. Hold to lock AE/AF. Once locked, lower exposure slightly to retain highlights and prevent blown frames. Move to a shooting position perpendicular to the subject's path and pick a panning line. Begin tracking before you press the shutter, so your motion is smooth and anticipatory. You now execute. Switch to burst by holding the shutter or swipe up for burst capture. This increases chances of a sharp frame. As the subject approaches, start panning at a steady angular speed while keeping it framed. Step with your feet to smooth larger movements and lock your elbows to your body. Keep motion fluid. Short whip pans cause blur. After capture, review live photos. Press and hold a live photo to try the built-in long exposure or pick the sharpest frame. Make incremental adjustments and repeat. You finish by inspecting frames at full resolution and choosing the cleanest shot. Crop and apply stabilization in photos or a third-party app to refine composition. If everything is too soft, adjust. Pan faster to increase effective shutter feel or quicken your burst timing so you capture crisper moments. If brightness jumps between frames, relock AE/AF and tweak exposure compensation before the next run. One troubleshooting tip: when results consistently fail, change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.